It is a moment of extreme pleasure to welcome each one of you.
Your thoughts have truly inspired us. Thank you very much, sir. A great teacher is the one who leads by.
Graduates of Little Flower English Medium School Kindergarten students. First of all, I want to extend my sincere gratitude to the staff and the teachers for your dedication and commitment to tireless work to mold these students.
Adam John. Adidev M.B. Aditi Lakshmi. Adol Joshindo. Aida Siga. Aisan Fatima. Aisan T. Aneya Elsa Anish. Andrea Biju. Ahmed Abhinika S.
മാക്സിമം എൻജോയ്മെന്റ് ഇവിടെ കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അവർ എഴുതാൻ പഠിച്ചു, വായിക്കാൻ പഠിച്ചു, ഇന്ററാക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പഠിച്ചു. 2 വർഷം മുമ്പ് നിങ്ങൾ കൊണ്ടുമ്പോൾ കരഞ്ഞ ബഹളം വെച്ചു.
ഇന്നത്തെ ലിറ്റിൽ സ്റ്റാർസ് ആയിട്ടിരിക്കുന്ന കുഞ്ഞുമക്കളെ, നമുക്കറിയാം നാം എല്ലാവരും ഇന്നിവിടെ ഒരുമിച്ച് കൂടിയിരിക്കുന്നത് ഈ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളുടെ ഗ്രാജുവേഷൻ സെറമണിയുടെ ഭാഗമായിട്ടാണ്. ഇവർ 2 വർഷം മുന്നേ ഈ സ്കൂളിലേക്ക്
അംഗൻവാടി സെന്റർ, ബസ് സ്റ്റാൻഡ്, റെയിൽവേ സ്റ്റേഷൻ എന്നിവിടങ്ങളിൽ ബൂത്ത് സജ്ജമായിരിക്കും. All parents should utilize this opportunity and participate in this polio eradication program. Thank you.
Graceful dancer with gifted talents. Adnan Muhammad CK. He is confident, responsible and jovial. Afshin Khadija AN. She is enthusiastic and an excellent dancer too. Aisin Hash, a hardworking and dedicated child. Aksa Maria, she is a good leader with great responsibility. Anjika K, she is enthusiastic, energetic and a good dancer too. Anugraha PK, she is an excellent dancer and an affectionate child. Ashika P, she is friendly, pleasant and skillful. Arya A, she is an excellent dancer, cheerful and well behaved. Ivan M, he is smart, energetic and enthusiastic. Edwin Shine, he is humble, attractive and skillful. Faizan Hamza, he is friendly, active and sociable. Hamid M, an obedient boy with calm and quiet nature. Hamis Ahmad, he is self-sufficient, talented and loving child. Haima Shankar VS, a gentle child who is very sweet and kind. Ishan P, a good-natured child with great sense of dedication and good athlete. Blessing Muhammad P, he is brilliant, kind and generous. Madhav PK, a child with creative ideas, very talented and smart. Mariam John, a responsible child who is calm and quiet in nature. Nirosh P, he is energetic, smart and a good athlete too. Muhammad Asif Shah, he is brilliant and a good bold student. Muhammad Rishan K, a good-natured child with great sense of dedication. Nathan Joseph Libin, a child with creative ideas, very talented and smart. Miramai Pierce, he is dynamic, pleasant and friendly. Rubasri K, she is very conscious and punctual in all her activities. Shanaz Muhammad K, he is charismatic leader with good communication skill. Shansa Madeline TK, a gentle child who is very sweet and kind. Shivaganga K, a compassionate child, confident and a good singer too. Shivani V. Sridhar, she is an excellent dancer, cheerful and well-behaved child. Shua Fatima, one who loves dancing and is an enthusiastic child. Tanusri C, a polite, well-mannered, enthusiastic child and a good dancer too. Bihan Raj TP. He is sweet, gracious and intelligent. Yasmin P. An adorable child with a pleasant face. Zoya NN. She is friendly, active and sociable. Now from UKGB, Adam and St. John. He is humble and simple. Adam John, he is disciplined, very conscious and punctual in all his activities. Adidev MB, calm and quiet in nature and having a beautiful smile. Aditi Lakshmi KM, she is excellent in extracurricular activities in academic performances. Adon Joshindo, he is loyal and energetic. Aiha Sida, she is skillful and sincere. Aisar Fatima, she is attentive and responsible student. Aisan T, he is friendly and supportive. Aneya Elsa Anish, her awesome nature enlightened the classroom. And Maria Biju, she shows maturity in her character and a responsible student. Atma GP, he is keen and conscious about the surroundings. Abanika S, she is self-disciplined and diligent. Ayan Muhammad AK, he is prudent and punctual. Aisha Shahnor, her handwriting is excellent and does all the works on time. She is a talented singer too. Ayman Siti, he is cooperative and friendly to all his friends. Aswin Ayan, he is cooperative and responsible student. Diva Jojo, she is friendly and supportive. Eden George, he is skillful and sincere. Ivania Jason, her mindfulness helps her friends and she is a good dancer, self-disciplined and diligent. Fatima Meher, she keeps an open mind and always listens to others. Hadi Muhammad, attentive and creative in the classroom. Isidore Sandosh, he is honest and helpful. Juana Jindo, she is a hardworking and an active student in the classroom. Kani Das, she is humble and simple. Kensa MP, she is bold and brilliant. Maria Neva Nixon, calm and quiet in nature and having a beautiful smile. Mia Maria Robin, she is energetic and a good dancer. Mishal TM, he is bold and brilliant student and excellent in academic performances. Muhammad Dan T, he is generous and always ready to help his friends and a good athlete too. Muhammad Ayman PK, attentive and a responsible student. Muhammad Rihan, he is cooperative and friendly to all his friends. Natasha Mehnaz, she is good singer and dancer. She shows maturity in her character and participates in all the activities in the full spirit. Rashid Shahan, he is charismatic leader with good communication skill. Sania Fatima, she is humble and simple. Sriram Suraj, he is wise and brilliant student. Shahan Muhammad, he is attentive and a responsible student.
And be kind to everyone. May God bless me.
Thank you, sister. Gratitude sweetens even the smallest moment. Our little graduates are here with a thank you song.
As they turn the page to the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two little words, two little words, two little words, not goodbye. It's the end of the year, graduation.
Dear parents, teachers, and my dear little ones, good morning to all. The graduation ceremony of kindergarten is a time to celebrate a new beginning and say goodbye to everything that has given you a reason to smile.